You see, for the first time in my life, I am eating cherries from a tree. Is it?
So beautiful. They're so beautiful though, aren't they, Grandad? I mean, that is nature, perfection, isn't it? So beautiful. And I bet all the bees go in, don't they, to get the pollen. Yeah, yeah. It's so lovely. Yeah. So what do you do? Just take the heads off? Oh, the whole thing? Oh. Yeah. And it's come back now, hasn't it? Yeah. He's doing this. Yeah. 43? Yeah. He's he likes to help people, Grandad. Yeah. Which is a good thing in this day and age, isn't it? Yeah. 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 Got little pansies as well, haven't you? Yeah.
The future of the world is in the seeds. We are all seeds of life. Okay?
Just bury them.
At one point in our time, we were just this.
Yeah.
The illustration of life. Look at life growing.
Oh, and that's beautiful. Yeah.
Just from this. This is who a human is. And then you become a family that keeps growing, and then growing, and then growing, until you don't even know who is who. But by their fruits, you shall know the tree. If it is organic,
Yes,
you have life.
some poppy heads,
If it is genetically modified,
like really vibrant,
you have what you want.
and some red ones as well.
We are developing the habit of fighting with health as much as we can, forgetting that our life is health. Follow health. Health brings happiness. Health brings exuberance, juvenance, rejuvenation. Make it your own claim. I want to be healthy. I want to be happy. I want to live longer. Own it. Don't just join other people in their complaint. Create your own movement of self-preservation, because the first person you save in this life is yourself. It's nobody else.
Oh, you're right. Sit down.
This is the beauty of life. Enjoy the works of the gardener, the farmer, the immortal ones, sharing his fruits with all of you. The fruits of life, the trees that brings life, the seeds that enhance life. Follow the seeds. That's the code of life. Follow the seeds. Have a blessed day. It's Sunday. It's seed day. It's rejoicing day. For everything that we want is already here. Come to that realization, and then you too be happy.
So Eugene posts on happiness.
Your sadness cannot change anything. How about that?
So
you see, we have tried to be sad. We have tried. We have worked hard. just to be sad, just to show other people there is sadness around.
Then he'll do a post.
How about we start advertising happiness? How about we start advertising a tree, a cherry tree, from the ground, not from Tesco or Costco or Aldi, from the ground, your own back garden. You too can do that, can't you? Exactly, you see? Don't choose to... No. The prices of things are going up.
Is that the blackbird?
Okay. The prices of food is going up. The price of life has gone up. And it is still going up. What are you going to do about it? Sitting and complain will not bring the price down. Sitting and complain would not grow food in your back garden. Think. Okay, taking your hoe or your digger to go and dig a hole and plant a seed. One seed that if you nurse and nurture can give you this too. So that rather than complaining, you take one sweet fruit and put in your mouth. And then you'll be inspired to plant another. Do the same with all the fruits you love. You have brought the loved ones close to you. Nature is around you. You don't buy nature, you don't buy life. Don't choose your argument. Follow the teachings of nature, of the farmer and the farm. Because in this life, despite everything that is happening, you still need your food to be alive. You can follow all kinds of businesses you can follow. They will just encourage you to make money so you can be happy. No. How about we go to the ground to be happy? How about we plant it ourselves? At least we have a piece of land we can call our own. This is just a box.
I mean, I know, obviously.
This is just a box. Okay. Look at what that box has brought.
I think it's just like overkill, isn't it?
Can you not dedicate your own self to grow your own things? We are the remnants of life on earth. Okay?
Have you tried the cake yet?
Only us can make this life the best life we want to live. Because right now, we are the actors of life. Okay? It is our life. Take charge. The sky is blue. The stars are up. Everyone is watching. Okay. Father is up there testifying to everything that is going on. You don't need land to be rich. You don't need land to eat. You need a pot and a bit of ground. And you too have what it takes to be a happy human on earth. Complaints will not save you. Action will save you. You know, if you do not act, you only have your mouth to complain about everything that other people did as actions. No, you to go out there, go place your action. Nature is awaiting your own action. This is the action of the farmer. Nature has rewarded him.
And what happened, do you know?
One cherry ahead. How about one strawberry ahead? How about one orange tree ahead? How about one mango tree ahead? How about one this or that? Plant a tree. Be the proud farmer of a tree. Show the world something that came from your own hand. Don't complain about what everyone has done. Okay. Nature is such. Just like the cherry. We celebrate. Just like cherish. We are cherished.